Hello traders, in this video I would like to embrace my incredible students, Alpha Fibonacci traders all over the world who share their journeys and stories. As you can find under our students' performance, traders who are making serious effort trading all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. As complete beginner trader Pablo sharing, he's trading gold, oil, euro, cable, Aussie. And when he sees that American indices not looking good, he doesn't touch those. Complete beginner trader who closed his low practice and became full-time trader. Brett, who tried for 20 years prior. When joining Fibonacci Trading Institute, Brett shown what's possible when you make a serious effort. So if you've been trying for years, understand most of it is not your fault. Most of it is because you've been trading wrong system. As Tom sharing from New Zealand, he tried for 17 years before going completely wrong path. So when you're listening to our students' podcast, what you're witnessing, what students do all over the world, and Sue, who lost a fortune and searched for so many years, trading S&P, gold, Bitcoin, oil, silver, trading with options. If you're viewing and reading how Richard retired trading options with system, how Georgie trading stocks on platforms I never heard of, how fathers bringing their children to the Andy, hedge fund manager, brought his son Dominic to the course, and this is what Dominic have done after a couple of weeks in the course. These are phenomenal stories of traders from all over the world. Dominic was simply bored when he started trading system during COVID, but his father Andy managing multi-million-dollar accounts on platforms and instruments I never even heard of. So when you are joining our global community in US and more than 58 countries, where traders trading on Thinkorswim, on NinjaTrader, on MT4, on MT5, when students share that this is truly Harvard of trading education, priceless. This is a final chance to join us during Black Friday special. We have only one space left. So please understand, when you're listening to Emmanuel's podcast, who brought his wife to the course, Carlton, who brought many friends, and Theo, who is trading from Australia and coming in the middle of the night to share his story, how Richard retired, how David trading it all, trading Alpha Fibonacci System. When you choose from 4 options available on the website, please understand this had never been offered before and will never be offered again. In every package, trading bootcamp video library included, and you receiving additional 3 months. Private mentoring savings 12,000 plus with this Black Friday offer. Group course savings 8,000 plus. The group course is the most popular package. But if you can do private mentoring, this would be ultimate way to learn, where I hold your hand, I show you, I emphasize to you what you should be trading versus not. We work one-on-one, and every package includes group course, video library modules, and trading room. So please listen to our traders podcasts in US and globally, where they share their journeys, their stories, where you witness how traders in US and more than 58 countries trading the system on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. If these traders can do it from 14 to 80 plus year olds, so can you. It's a final chance to join us with Black Friday special. Take advantage of this offer and feel free to call or email me, as you can see in upper left corner. Simply click on Contact Us and send the email or call +1 925 257 4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much. I wish you an incredible Thanksgiving holiday and I hope you join our global community in US and more than 50 countries for traders trading all instruments, all time frames, all platforms.